Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda Renee, and in this video I'll be trying out a new shampoo from Aussie, which is the Aussie Total Miracle Total shampoo with apricot oil. And I'll be seeing whether this shampoo is type 4 hair friendly. So if you're interested in seeing that video, keep on watching. Alrighty, so I have my hair parted in 4 sections. What I usually do before shampooing is just drench my hair, make sure everything is soaking wet before shampooing. That way the dirt can easily be removed and the nutrients from the product can be absorbed into my strands. So with that being said, I'll be back when it's time to shampoo my hair. Alrighty, so my hair is drenched and now we will go in with the shampoo. Am I nervous? Yes, just because Aussie isn't a black owned brand, but ironically, some black owned brands don't really cater to black hair even though they're supposed to. So we will see if this works. Alrighty, so I just drenched my hair again just to make sure that it's soaking and dripping wet. And we will go in with the shampoo. This is what it's looking like. Typical creamy consistency shampoo. I am used to this consistency for a moisturizing shampoo. So let's see if it's moisturizing. Just emulsifying it. Then we'll go in. Ooh, 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 ooh. The lather. The lather, guys. Oh my word. Absolutely. Guys, the lather, the suds. And this bottle is 12.1 fluid ounces. I mean, am I sold? Based on the fact that my scalp was itching, honestly, the lather, the slip, wow. And the fact that it says it's for all hair types, I wasn't expecting it to be that great, but honestly. And then the fact that it's clumping my curls together, is actually clumping the curls together. Guys. Let me rinse it out. Because this is the first wash. Let me rinse it out. Alright, so my hair feels stripped. Not completely stripped. It feels clean. Let me use that word instead. My hair feels clean. It doesn't feel too stripped. I can still run my fingers through it without a problem. It doesn't really feel like one of those intense clarifying shampoos, but my hair does feel clean. I will again go in with another wash, emulsifying again, because before this I had a twisting cream in my hair that contained lots of butters, so I didn't really expect the shampoo to get off all of that butter, but really and truly, yeah, it did. And y'all see this lather? This lather, you don't need a lot. Moral of the story, you don't need a lot, because this lather is insane. This lather, absolutely. All right, so I will rinse out again. I'll do the rest of my hair off camera, then I'll be back with my final thoughts. Alrighty guys, so my hair is done, and my rating for this shampoo is a 7 out of 10, and I will say why. So 1, it gives my hair a good clean. I was really concerned about the stripped feeling that my hair got while rinsing out the product, but my hair does not feel completely stripped. So with that being said, my hair has definitely gotten a good clean. 2, the lather, as you all would have seen, absolutely 1000%. I love that about this shampoo, and I also love that a little does go a long way. So if you are on a budget, you will definitely enjoy using the shampoo, just because you wouldn't need to worry about spending money on a shampoo every month or every 2 months. This shampoo will last. And I was able to rake my fingers through my hair, just do a light detangle while shampooing, and that was a plus for me. The only downside is that it's not a completely moisturizing shampoo. My hair doesn't feel stripped, but my hair does feel clean. My hair feels soft, so if I want to rake my fingers through this right now, I will be able to, but it is not a moisturizing shampoo in my opinion. It does give a really good clean, as it says on the back of the bottle, when it says that it gently cleanses hair and provides 7 unique benefits. Although those benefits are not stated, just the fact that it gently cleansed my hair without my hair feeling stripped, like I used a clarifying shampoo in the end. I recommend this shampoo if you're looking for a shampoo that gives your hair a good clean, not necessarily a fully moisturizing shampoo. It does have moisturizing aspects, but this, I wouldn't necessarily call this a complete moisturizing shampoo. It is a cleansing shampoo. So I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for a good clean. If you're also looking for a clarifying shampoo on the mild end, you can definitely check out that shampoo as well, because in my opinion, you'll be able to get everything that you need to off your hair without a problem. So if you're looking for that type of shampoo, definitely check that out. And the last thing that I will say is that I got the shampoo for under 20 Barbados dollars. I got it for $18 at the beauty supply store. However, I did see it in Massy for $11. So if you're looking for a good shampoo that cleanses your hair, which is also affordable, definitely check out the shampoo. And with that being said, is it type 4 hair friendly? I think it is. So thank you for watching this video. If you made it to the end, if you liked this video, definitely leave a like, subscribe for more natural hair content, and I will see you in my next video, which will be the review of the Aussie Apricot conditioner. So stay tuned for that video. Bye bye.